Hello friends, welcome to MK Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to remove the background of image. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
First open the image which one you like.
And make a copy of that image. Select the pen tool, and start selecting like this. And right click on the image, click on make selection. Set the feather radius to 0.5 and hit OK. Press Ctrl plus J and again use pen tool to make selection. Start selecting as shown in tutorial. Again do the same thing as previous. Right click on eraser tool and select the background eraser tool and select the sampling to once and limits to this contiguous and set tolerance as your wish. Click on background color. And click on background of your image and hit OK. Set the brush size, and start erasing the background. Thanks for watching.